Hello everyone, welcome back to computer class. Today I am going to continue the lesson number 3, that is word processor and tabular presentation. First is about changing row height and column width in a table. First, what is the meaning of table? Table means it is a grid of rows and columns or combination of row and column. Okay, if it is row height in the sense, row means, first what is the meaning of row? Row in the sense it is a horizontal line. If it is column means it is a vertical line. What and all steps we need to follow to change the row height and column width? Step 1. Select cell or cells of the desired table. You need to select a single cell or a number of cells. Here I am selected one full column. Step 2. Click the layout button. Where the layout button will be present in a table tool option. Then it will display the default table row and height in a cell size area. Step 3. Click this button, upward and downward arrow mark, to change the row height, and right and left arrow mark to change the column width. Based on your user value entry, it will change it accordingly. Next is adding border to a table. Adding border to a table means it will enhance the appearance of the table and it helps in capturing the attention of the viewer. Here you can add the border to a whole table or to a single cell or to a row or a column based on your selection. Some of the steps you need to follow to add border to a table. Step 1. Select the cell or cells in a table. You can select a single cell or a number of cells or a whole table also. Step 2. Click the design button. Where the design button will be present in a table tool option. You need to select the design button. Afterwards, you need to select the option border. After selecting the design button, you will get the option border in the down. So, you need to select the option border. Step 4. Select the border type. You can select any one of the border type. Look at the picture. You will get to know. First step is you need to select a cell or cells in a table. Step 2, you need to select a design button. You need to click the design button in a table tool option. Step 3, you need to click on that border option. See, down of that border you will get so many types of borders. You can select any one of that type. Next, press enter. The border will be added to the selected cell or a selected cells or to the whole table. If you selected means the border will add to the whole table. Next topic is about applying shading to a table. Here, shading refers to fill in the background of a table or a text with a predefined color, means giving a background color to a text or to the table. Here, predefined colors refers to some of the already created colors you can select. Some of the steps you need to follow for shading. Step 1, you need to select the table. Here selecting the table in the sense you need to select the created table first. Step 2, click design button. Where the design button will be present in a table tool option. You need to select the design button. Step 3, select shading option. After selecting the design button only you will get option for shading. You need to click on that shading option. You will get like this window. What is the step 1? You need to select the table first. Step 2, you need to click the design button. It will be present in table tool option. Step 3, you need to click on shading. Afterwards, you need to choose any one of that color. You can select any one of the predefined color. If you want any extra colors, other colors means you can go for standard color or for the custom color. Finally, you need to click OK. Next topic is about resizing a table. Resizing a table means what? Changing the size of the table, means decreasing or increasing table size as per our need. We can change the table size proportionally, means you can change the lengthwise also, widthwise also you can change. How to change the table size? We need to follow some steps to change the table size. Step 1. select the table. We need to select the table, which table you are going to change the size. After selecting, it will come with a blue color line. You need to select the table like this. Step 2. Keep the mouse pointer at the bottom right of the table. Means that double-handed arrow will appear on the lower right corner of the table. You need to select the table first. Then keep the mouse pointer at the bottom right side of the table. The double-handed arrow will appear at the lower right corner of the table. Step 3. Drag the arrow, the size will change. While dragging the arrow mark will changes to a plus sign like this, it will change. Then you can drag right side or to the left side to change the size. You can increase or you can decrease based on your wish. Step 4. Release the mouse pointer. Afterwards, you need to leave the mouse pointer. The new size of the table will appear on the screen. As shown in the picture, it will come like this. It will change the size. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.